Have you ever felt like no one is really listening to you? The truth is, most people don't feel heard, but there's a simple way to fix this. Carl Rogers, one of the greatest psychologists of the 20th century, discovered something powerful: active listening. He found that simply listening in a certain way could change relationships and even therapy itself. Research shows that active listening reduces stress and improves trust, and when people feel heard, their brains respond positively, making them feel connected. Here's how to do it. First, paraphrase what the other person is saying. Second, use minimal encouragements like nodding or saying, "I see." Third, try to name their emotions. It sounds like you're feeling frustrated, and these techniques make conversations more meaningful. Communication is everywhere, from daily conversations to business meetings, from friendships to global diplomacy. But what makes communication truly effective? We can think of it like a simple equation. When one person sends a message and the other person understands it correctly, communication works. It looks something like this. But here's the problem. What happens if the message is misunderstood? What if the listener doesn't fully grasp what was intended? In that case, our equation changes. Instead of effective communication, we get confusion and frustration. This happens more often than we think. Sometimes words aren't enough. Tone, body language, and even personal experiences influence how we interpret a message. So, how do we fix this? How do we make sure that what we say is actually understood the way we intend? The answer lies in active listening, a skill that turns misunderstandings into clarity. Let's go deeper. Here's how you can ensure your message is received clearly. 1. Paraphrase. Restate what you heard in your own words to confirm understanding. 2. Use minimal encouragers. So simple nods or short affirmations like "I see" or "that makes sense." 3. Label emotions. Acknowledge how the other person might be feeling. It sounds like you're frustrated. These small changes make a huge impact on how people feel in a conversation. Carl Rogers discovered that when people feel heard, something amazing happens. They become more open, more trusting, and more connected. Studies show that active listening reduces stress, improves relationships, and even boosts emotional intelligence. So the next time you're in a conversation, try these techniques. See how people respond differently when they truly feel heard. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and let's keep learning together. See you in the next one.